Hey, what's going on, all my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes? It's your boy Will, back again, and I'm gonna do a ride along. But you already knew it because you already saw it in the thumbnail, right? But it's gonna be with this one. Pharaoh, man, I just got this a little while ago, and I told you guys a ride along was coming soon. But today it's supposed to be a little bit cooler. We got a rainy, cool day, so I'm like, okay, this is a good day to try this out because the opening of this, I'm digging. But once it get to dry down, I was like, wasn't too crazy about it. So I'm gonna try it out in the public, out in the wild world. So roll with me. Right now it is 7:58 a.m. and right now it's 52 degrees. I'm not sure if that's coming up. 52 degrees. So let's go ahead and go with the regular sprays. And maybe what it was, I may have sprayed too much. So I'm gonna lay back with the sprays a little bit this time. We're just gonna get oh yeah, I remember this. It made me sneeze a lot too. Ooh, and it's getting ready to make me sneeze, but I'm gonna try to hold back. And let's go hit one there, and I'll go a little one on the wrist, and there, and there. Okay. All right. So, I am gonna have on something over top of this, so. I may spray that or may not, I'm not sure. But right now, this is a nice big scent bubble that's going on right now. I'm trying to hold back from sneezing and having a sneeze attack. So anyway, okay, so I gave you time, almost 8 o'clock. Roll with me. Let's try this thing out. Okay. Yeah, getting ready to give you an update. It is now 11:06 and the temperature is 51 degrees. I'm not sure if that's going to come through. And fragrance is actually kind of died down a little bit. It's a little bit closer to the skin. It's not projecting real crazy. Can you smell me? Yeah. Oh, so maybe it is projecting a little bit. And I did put a little bit on my shirt afterwards, so it's doing all right. So I don't know. We are on the road right now, rolling out. But I will give another update in a little bit. And the smell has changed a little bit, but it doesn't have that BO smell that I smelled when I was testing it before. So keep rolling with me. Hey, all right, folks. I am. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. I'm doing a check-in. Let me put this back up here. Doing a check-in. It is now 3:23, and the temperature is 53 degrees. But I've been inside, so it doesn't really matter. Oh man, the fragrance is still sticking around. It's just really, really light.
It's not projecting at all, but it's still sticking to my skin, which is cool. And yeah, so I'm doing a lot of walking around. This is a huge mall, so doing a lot of walking around. So it may have burnt off my skin yet, but I haven't taken it off. But like I said, I sprayed on my shirt um, earlier today, and it's still going. So, but it's light. Like I said, it's real close to the skin, or close to the fabric, I should say. All right, keep rolling with me, and I'll do another check in a little bit. Ooh.
Hey, what's going on, folks? So, ready to wrap this up. This fragrance has gone pretty good. It faded out like maybe around 6 or so, but it lasted pretty much all day. And that scent that I got when I was testing it before, like around the house, maybe I had layered it on top of another fragrance, but I did not get that BO scent that I got before when I was just wearing around the house. Today, it was actually pretty good. I liked it from beginning to end. It does change a little bit from the opening. The opening is really spicy and it messes with your nose a little bit. But as it goes to the dry down, it gets more woody. It's still like a dank kind of wet style kind of wood. The scent that it comes off, but it smells really good. It's not for the weak at heart. It's definitely not an easy just pick up a wear and keep rolling fragrance. It's definitely not blind buy worthy. So right now it is late. I would say the fragrance kind of died out completely like around 7 or so. But right now it is 9:52 and the temperature is 50 degrees. I'm not sure if that's going to come in, but it's 50 degrees and I'm inside now, so it's not, obviously I'm not uh,
smelling anything or I'm walking around, and so the temperature outside doesn't matter because I'm inside. Now on my skin, it's pretty much gone, almost completely gone. I can, like, if I dig my nose into it, I can kind of smell a little bit, but it's like really, really close to the skin. But surprisingly, on my shirt, I still smell it. It smells like the mid. It's past the opening, but it smells like the mid. It doesn't really smell like the dry down. The dry down to me is kind of like becomes, it's still woody, but it becomes a little bit more powdery. This smells more like the mid of the fragrance and the progression of it. So I was thinking I was not going to like it. I still think it's a very situational fragrance. It's not something that, like I said, it's not something that everybody's going to like. It's very niche leaning. It's not a easy wear fragrance. So let's jump into the notes. The notes for Pharaoh. Let's see here. Here it is right here. Amazing bottle, dog. That's an amazing bottle. Look at that. But the notes for this are, top notes, we have cardamom, saffron, cade oil, and boozy notes. And the middle notes, we have coffee, suede, and benzoin. And then in the base notes, there is vanilla, gaiac wood, tonka bean, labdamen, and amberwood. And yeah, all those smell pretty good. Oh, and the fragrance was released this year, 2026. It was, I was thinking it was like later. I thought it was in the late part of 2025, like around December, but I guess it was during the early part of this year. So yeah, brand new fragrance, brand new release by the house of Rayhaan. I'm glad to have it, but it's not like a fragrance that I probably will be wearing like constantly. It's definitely like a situational kind of fragrance, but it was good. Today was good, and as you can see, I was moving around a lot today. Got a lot of different footage from different places. A lot of stuff popped off today. Whew. And I was moving around a lot today too. So, and the other thing is, I just realized that I didn't put that many sprays on. I didn't spray it like I normally would spray fragrances. So if I sprayed heavier, that may bring out that whole scent that I didn't like, the BO scent. And if I sprayed heavier, the fragrance probably could have lasted a little bit longer. I didn't spray either, so that's another thing. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, going along with this long ride along. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me. Talk about Pharaoh by Rayhaan, brand new for 2026. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.